Guys, it's Joe Boo here over at Visible Alpha. I wanted to give you guys a quick preview on one of the companies we're covering, and more importantly, really just to highlight some of the segment details we're able to capture here on the platform. One of the first ones that came to mind was Electronic Arts. For those of you who don't know, it's essentially a video game publisher that's been building a lot of traction through their digital sales segment. Just to give you some of the facts, in their last reported quarter, the digital sales segment has actually grown roughly 18% year over year. And most of the growth was through in-game spending, something otherwise known as microtransactions. Basically, microtransactions allows players to purchase different weapons or skins through the game for just roughly like $5 to $10. And what investors really love about digital transactions is that it really requires little to no effort to support and maintain, making it sort of a high margin business segment for Electronic Arts. Just quickly diving into one of the pages here. One of the things we really want to show you is that we have more than just the digital revenue estimates, but more so we have sort of the breakouts within all of the digital segments here. So we'll have mobile digital, live services, subscriptions, extra content, and full game downloads. And what's nice is that you actually see all the annual estimates going out all the way to 2025 even for digital revenue. And behind every one, we're actually capturing the revisions. So these are all the sort of consensus revisions we have on digital segments. And you can see from like 2016, it's a segment that's grown vastly within the past 2 years. Back in November, it was at 4,071, and where it is today, it's now at 4,585. So you can see how this has sort of grown dramatically over time. And what's nice is where we save you guys a lot of time is giving you the nice little breakout. So you can see basically all the outliers on any given line item. In this case, we got all the brokers over here. One of the last things I wanted to highlight is our supplemental tab for EA. Not everyone's doing this on the street today, but I really wanted to highlight that some of the sell-side analysts today are actually starting to break out sort of microtransactions, total units and ASPs for some of the game for Electronic Arts. You'll notice this is pretty common for some of the other video game publishers, but not so much for EA. And so what you'll see is basically a clear little breakout for FIFA, Madden, Battlefield, and one we just recently added with Sims all the way at the bottom down here. And that's really what I just want to give you guys a quick preview on for EA. If you have any companies you guys like to see a quick preview on, give us a shout.